Start by navigating to the Flow Builder menu. To begin a new automation project, click the plus button labeled Create Your First Flow. We'll name this flow RAG, short for Retrieval Augmented Generation. From the Node sidebar, locate the AI Assistant node. Drag and drop it onto your workspace. To ensure the assistant activates when a user chats, connect the output of the message trigger directly to the input of the AI Assistant node. Now click Edit to open the configuration panel. First, select your AI provider. Next, scroll down to the Knowledge Base section and toggle the switch to enable it. You will see a field that requires a Pinecone API key. Click the Pinecone console link and log in to your Pinecone console. Navigate to the API Keys section and click Create API Key. Give it a name, then copy the API key. Return to the Flow Builder and paste this key into the configuration field. Now it's time to train the AI. Click Upload and select your source document. In this case, I'm uploading a PDF medical reference guide. The system will automatically process the file. Wait for the status indicator to change from processing to completed. This confirms your document has been successfully chunked and indexed. For quality assurance, you can inspect how the AI sees your data. Click to download the reference chunks. By opening the JSON file, you can view the raw text segments. Now let's fine-tune the retrieval settings. Increase the maximum retrieved chunks to 5. This allows the AI to read more sections of the document before answering. Set the similarity threshold to 0.7 to filter out irrelevant data. This next step is critical. Context injection. We need to modify the system prompt to restrict the AI. For example, you must answer only using the provided context. Also add a rule, if the answer is not in the context, say, not found. This prevents the AI from generating incorrect information. Once your prompt is refined, click Save in the Node settings. Then save the entire flow at the top of the screen. To make it live, click Assign, select your WhatsApp channel, and switch the status to Active. Now let's move to the live test. Open your WhatsApp interface. Ask a specific question about the document content, such as, list all routes for veins exactly as in the document. The AI searches the vector database and returns the exact definition, then or fleb, matching the PDF. Let's try another term and compare it with the AI's response. We can look at the downloaded JSON chunks to confirm the logic. In chunk 1, the text clearly maps muscle to the root ceph. The AI correctly retrieves this specific chunk to generate its answer. Finally, test the default system prompt by asking, "How can you help me?" The AI switches from data retrieval to its general assistant persona to explain its capabilities. At last, back in the Pinecone dashboard, you can check your index database to confirm that your vectors are stored and that the connection is healthy.